the next question, and I will give Neeraj sir the chance afterwards. So, like, two habits, like, again, that was book earlier. I now it's two habits that you think that you have, that made you, that took you so far, other than, of course, reading books. I know that that will be the top priority for you, but other than this, what are the two habits that you see helped you to reach at this particular stage, and what you think that are so.
Sure. Of course, one habit you already know. I read a lot. I'm a voracious reader. I read one book a day when there is no lockdown. And when there is lockdown, I stopped keeping the count. So I've read almost 1,515 books till now, to be precise. So that's one habit. Needless to mention, I've devoted my entire life for this particular habit. That is the whole purpose of my life.
Yeah,
Right? Can you hear me?
yeah, absolutely,
Okay.
we
Okay.
can.
Second habit, which I think has helped me to achieve what I've achieved till now, is planning, which will touch upon the previous question as well. Now, planning as such is a बहुत बड़ा term लगता है ना. Planning is nothing but thinking on paper. Thinking in mind is wandering. It is useless. Thinking on paper. Almost 30 to 40% of my day's time I spent on planning. Writing down everything. Whatever random ideas come to my mind, I write down. Before going to bed, what are the three main goals I have to achieve tomorrow are written down in my diary. I have so many diaries filled with me till now. So I show you my diary, how is it, and how I try to gamify it. So, so can you see this? This is my to-do list. I
Yeah,
use
yeah.
orange color. Yeah. So I make it as a game. So I write my activities in a box,
Mm-hmm.
the way I've done. And once I'm done, I color it. So it becomes a game for me. That the more I fill
Oh,
up the boxes, I win, and then I reward myself with a gulab jamun or any favorite thing I love, or maybe a Netflix thriller, if at all the boxes get filled up. So that's my reward. So I think writing down is very important. Planning does not mean, some people argue that नहीं रे plan के हिसाब से कुछ भी होता नहीं है. I agree. Many things will not happen as per the plan, but still, a bad plan is better than no plan. I'll give you a simple analogy. Uh, do you drive, Ravindra? Do you drive?
yeah, I do.
Yeah. Suppose you are driving in an unknown territory. You have the destination. You have put it in the GPS map. Okay. Many a times it must have happened with you. It has happened with me. Even if I have the GPS map, at least one or two times I take a wrong turn
Yeah, I
because of
think
that.
that.
वो एनिमेशन होता है ना, कभी कभी अरे 40 मीटर बोला है और मैंने पहले ही टर्न लिया, right? And then it reroutes, and then the estimated arrival time was 15 minutes, but we reached by another 5 minutes of 20 minutes. But it is still better than not having the map. Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah,
That's exactly
absolutely.
what I'm trying to say. A bad plan is better than no plan. Having a GPS map and going wrong is still better than not having the GPS map at all. All
I
right.
agree with you.
So op- uh, keep lots of room for error in plan as well. That is also part of planning. If this goes wrong, then this. If
Then
not
this.
this, then this. Many of the ifs and defs thens are there in my plan. Okay, so leave lots of room for error. Don't go for perfection because many things will not happen as per the plan. So each and everything, I don't give too much of importance to time, but I give too much of importance to planning my day with priority. It which if these are my 8 activities, which is one activity which is going to create a big impact, which will give the biggest result, I'll be doing first.
That that
Because
first. Yeah.
saying it do the most important activity is very vague. नहीं समझता है, तो उसको थोड़ा मैंने और स्पेसिफिक किया. Which activity is going to create a big impact? Replying to emails is going to create a big impact in my mission in Make India Read? No.
No.
तो थोड़ा तो but what we do, we just open the laptop and jump in our inbox.
Yeah.
बाद में भी कर सकते हैं, right? But what about solving a bug, right now, which is there in booklet app, and it's troubling many of the readers. Yes, it will get a big impact. I will prioritize it over checking emails. Right?
Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah.